All right there, boys and girls, here we go, day 11 of our January daily math. So, number 1, 6 times 7 plus 2 times 7 is the same as, well, I see the times 7 and the times 7 are the same, right? Times 7. So I have 6, and just kind of cross out everything that's the same. And all I have left is 6 plus 2. Okay, so 6 times 7 plus 2 times 7 is the same as, well, what's 6 plus 2? 8. 8 times 7. Okay, number 2. Remember, that is the distributive property, I believe, right? Number 2. In the mitten is the number 79. This number is even or odd. Well, we only have to look at the ones column here, the 9, and ask ourselves, can the 9 be split into 2 even piles? No. It's a 4 and a 5. So 4 and 4 is even, right, which would be an 8. 4 plus 5, they're not the same. So this is an odd number. Complete the first fact, then write the 3 related facts. So we look at 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. And then we flip-flop it. So now, instead of 9 times 3, we have 3 times 9. And that's also 27. And that would be the commutative property of multiplication. So now we're going to flip it and do the division part of that. So we know the big number is 27. And then we're going to still divide by 9 is 3. And divide by 3 is 9. And we know that that is all part of the multiplication division properties for the related facts there. Number 4, use less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 6 hundreds, so that equals 600. We have 50 tens, so that's not 50 tens, right? That's only 5 tens. To make it 50 tens, we add another 0. Now we have 50 tens versus 600s. Well, 600 is greater than 500, so we're going to put our greater than symbol like that. Number 5, like all penguins, Belle cannot fly, but she's a fast swimmer. She can swim 10 meters in 2 seconds. At this rate, how long would it take Belle to swim the length of a 50-meter pool? Well, how many times does 10 go into 50? Yeah, it takes 5 10 meters. Okay? And if each one is 2 seconds, 5 times 2 equals 10. So, how long would it take her? 10 seconds. Okay? Think of it as 10 meters in 2. Then we go 20 meters in 4 seconds. We do another 10, which would be 30 in 6, 40 in 8, 50 in 10. All right, boys and girls, great job with day 11, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 12.